Hey, how you guys doing today? So, I just want to touch base real quick. So, you guys have been following know that we put the dual batteries in with an isolator, and I put the old fridge in here, and I just want to do a little test. All right, so you can see where we got her set right there, and we're at what is that? Can you guys read that? Oh, we got down in there pretty good. We're almost at freezing. Oh yeah. So wow, yeah. So she got down there pretty low. It's a good thing I came and checked on this. So yesterday while we were out running around, let's see, I started it Friday afternoon, and it said the internal temp was like 80 degrees. So I turned it on, let it run overnight. We put some food and stuff in there, and so the next morning, which was Saturday morning, before we went out to Rockfront, I think it was around 50, 45, something like that. And then, like you guys just saw right now, shoot, we're down to like 30, 32. I think we're right at freezing. So it's a good thing we checked, or we'd have a bad mess in there. But what I wanted to check was to see what the voltage is. So got back to the house last night at roughly 5 p.m. It's been overnight. Right now I think it's a little after 10, maybe almost 10:15, 10:30, something like that the next morning. So we're gonna go up front, put the old meter on there, and see what kind of voltage we have with this thing just sitting here running overnight. All right, so according to this, we're still at 12 volts. And our starting battery is, let me make sure I got it good. There we go. We're at 13 volts. So those are perfectly fine numbers. And remember, we got that Optima yellow top in there. So it's designed to kind of draw down a little bit and recover. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And, you know, you guys could tell, and I've said this before in my older video when I first got this fridge, but this is like one of the OG Ingles, and man, these things are hard to beat. This thing still, it's got metal. The only thing that is, you know, your temperature setting, there's no number. You have to just kind of guess, and that's why I put that little thermometer deal inside there so you can see where your temperature is. Unlike, you know, the newer ones that have Bluetooth and all that crap on there, so you can set your actual temperatures. This thing's been a gem, especially, you know, I got a pretty good deal on this thing, and it just lives in here. I turn it off when we're not going to use it, and I'll usually fire it up the night before, and it's usually done me pretty good. Solid, doesn't go nowhere, and she just keeps on licking. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on you know, how these things are, and as far as consumption of, you know, the battery and all that stuff. But thanks for following. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification, and we'll see you guys down the road.